Hey everyone, and welcome back to Tech Trends. Today, we're kicking off our brand new series, Mastering Windows. Whether you're a complete beginner or just want to brush up on your skills, this series is for you. In this first episode, we'll be taking a tour of the Windows interface and getting you comfortable with the basics. Let's dive in. Alright, let's start with the heart of Windows, the desktop. This is your main workspace, where you'll find icons for your applications, files, and folders. You can customize the look of your desktop by changing the background image. Just right-click anywhere on the desktop and select Personalize. We'll cover personalization in more detail in a future episode. You can move these icons around by clicking and dragging them. You can also right-click on the desktop to get a quick menu of options, like creating new folders or changing display settings. Now, let's move down to the taskbar. This is your quick access area for launching applications and managing open windows. On the left, you'll see pinned icons for frequently used apps. You can pin any application to the taskbar by right-clicking its icon and selecting Pin to Taskbar. To unpin, just right-click and select Unpin from Taskbar. In the middle, you'll see icons for your currently open windows. On the right, we have the system tray, where you'll find icons for things like your Wi-Fi, volume, and notifications. And right here is the search bar. You can use this to quickly find files, applications, and settings on your computer. Just type in what you're looking for, and Windows will show you the results. Next up, the Start menu. You can open it by clicking the Windows logo in the bottom left corner of the screen, or by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. Here, you'll find a list of all your installed applications. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find a specific app. On the right, you'll see pinned apps for quick access. You can customize this area by pinning your favorite applications. At the bottom, you'll find the power options, where you can shut down, restart, or put your computer to sleep. And at the top, you can click on your user account icon to change account settings or sign out. Now, let's talk about Windows. When you open an application, it appears in its own window. You can minimize, maximize, or close windows using the buttons in the top right corner. You can also resize windows by clicking and dragging the edges. To quickly switch between open windows, you can use the Alt+Tab shortcut. And if you want to arrange multiple windows on your screen, you can use the Snap Assist feature. Just drag a window to the edge of the screen, and Windows will suggest different layouts. If you're setting up Windows for the first time, you'll go through a setup process. This will guide you through connecting to your network, creating a user account, and configuring basic settings. Don't worry, it's pretty straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions. And that's it for our first episode of Mastering Windows. We've covered the basics of the Windows interface, and you should now be feeling more comfortable navigating your way around. In our next episode, we'll be diving into file management. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
It's with the snow, the time